Greetings, gentlemen. It's good to see you again. I've got another culture class for you this week, but really quickly, I wanted to remind you of our mission because it's really important. Our mission tells us who we are and what we do. It says we're achieving authentic manhood, authentic kingdom manhood, while becoming spiritual champions, warriors, and game changers. It's got a list of our core beliefs there too, but I'm also wanted to remind you of the Eagle Way. All right, and remember, the Eagle Way is what we do, how we make decisions. We say, is it right? Is it responsible? Am I being respectful? Right? These three things, the three R's that make up the Eagle Way. These are the ways that we make decisions. We look at those questions, and here's the other thing about that too, is that, really when you look at it that way, you say, Eagle football does this, then it becomes more than just a game. It becomes a way of life, right? And so, that's what you're a part of. You're a part of a way of living. You're kind of a part of a movement. And this is how people in that movement make decisions. All right, we're going to move on into another core belief for the day or for the week. And this one is that practice is more important than the game. The corresponding value is prioritized preparation, and that's also the definition. This might sound kind of funny because you're thinking, well, the games, where we win a championship or where we, go to the playoffs or whatever. But, the reality of that is that we as a coaching staff feel incredibly strongly about the idea that we're not going to be successful in a game unless we prioritize the practice as more important than that game. Because the practice is where we do the preparation. I've heard it said that practice makes perfect. And I'll tell you what, I wholeheartedly and utterly disagree with that. I don't believe that for 1 second that practice makes perfect. I think practice makes permanent. Now, what makes perfect is perfect practice. All right, so here's the thing. If we don't prioritize the way that we practice, then what happens on Friday night is kind of a marginal version of what it could be. Okay, so if we don't come to practice with the idea that I'm going to learn, I'm going to get better, I'm going to learn to be a better fundamental football player and understand the concepts and understand the strategy involved in this game and what we're going to do to attack this opponent, then Friday night's only going to be a fraction of what it could have been. All right, so that's why we say that practice is more important than the game. Speaking of practices, did want to remind you also that we've got a summer 6-on-6 league coming up. We're sorting through the details of that right now. We're ironing out, what it's going to look like up here on campus for us to facilitate practice and still, follow social distancing rules that our city and that our school is set forth. We want to honor those things, but we are planning on moving forward with 6-on-6. There will be practices twice a week. We will have a game once a week during the month of June. We'll also have some things later in the summer as we get closer to football season. We will have that information out to you here over the next couple of weeks. Gentlemen, it's great to be able to hang out with you. Can't wait to see you again. It's been a challenge for me just to not get to experience relationship with you guys face to face. So we miss you. We love you guys, and we'll talk to you soon. God bless you. This is Coach Wintercheck again. Have a great day, and stay safe.